Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 7. So let's start our class, okay? My dear students, our today's topic is exercise 2.3. It's question number 25. It's a CQ question. And my dear students, your lecture number is 9 for the annual term examination, and you have a homework. Your homework number is 7. I have written down already the question on the board. That means I have posted this one. Question number 25 of exercise 2.3. Okay, a piece of ornament is made by mixing bronze, zinc and silver. In that piece of ornament, the ratio of bronze and zinc is 1:2, and the ratio of zinc and silver is 3:5. The weight of the ornament is 190 grams. That means the total weight of that ornament is 190 grams. Activity A is find the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. That means we need to find out the ratio bronze is to zinc is to silver. Okay. Now activity B is find the weights of bronze, zinc and silver in that ornament separately. And activity C is what weight of zinc can be mixed in that ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1:3. We will solve this question part by part. First of all, activity A we will solve. The activity A says that we need to find out the successive ratio, or we need to find out, my dear students, the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. Already the two ratios are given. The first ratio is bronze and zinc is 1:2, and the ratio of zinc and silver is 3:5. So write down these two at first. Given that the ratio of bronze is to zinc. The ratio of bronze is to zinc is equal to 1:2. 1:2. And my dear students, also given the ratio of zinc is to silver. Zinc is to silver. That's equal to what? That's equal to 3:5. We need to find out the ratio of bronze, zinc, silver. That means bronze is to zinc is to silver. Look at these two ratios, my dear students. In the first ratio, the subsequent is zinc, and the second ratio, the antecedent is zinc. That means we need to equal these two, antecedent and subsequent. That means the first ratio subsequent and the second ratio antecedent must be equal. Then you can write down easily the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. So how can it be? Look, the first ratio's subsequent is 2 and the second ratio's antecedent is 3. These two are not equal, but we can make these two equal by multiplying the first ratio by 3 and the second ratio multiplied by 2. We will find out the equal of the first ratio's subsequent and the second ratio's antecedent. So multiply the first ratio by the second ratio's antecedent. Second ratio's antecedent is 3. So multiply the first ratio by 3. We will get 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. And the second ratio need to multiply with the first ratio's subsequent 2. Okay. So multiply the second ratio by 2. We will get 2 threes are 6 is to 2 fives are 10. Now we can write down easily the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver. So my dear students, therefore the ratio of bronze is to zinc is to silver is equal to what? Is equal to 3 is to 6 is to 10. Okay, 3 is to 6 is to 10, which is our required ratio of bronze, zinc and silver, which it is our answer. Okay. Now activity B. Activity B is so easy. Activity B is find the weights of bronze, zinc and silver in the ornament separately. So we need to find out the three things weight separately here, okay, in activity B. So solve the activity B here. To solve the activity B, we need the total sum of these ratios. That means the total sum of the terms of this ratio, because already in the steam the weight of the ornament is given is 190 grams. So we can write down, my dear students, given that the weight of the ornament is is 190 grams. And from activity A, we can write down the ratio of bronze, zinc and silver equal to this one. And from this ratio, we can add the term of the ratio. We will get the total sum of the ratio. Okay. So write down this one now. After this, from A, we have what? The ratio. We have the ratio of bronze is to zinc is to silver. That's equal to 3 is to 6 is to 10. Now I can write down the total sum of the terms of the ratio. Okay. Therefore the sum of the terms of ratio is how much? Is 3 plus 6 plus 10. That's equal to 19. So the total sum of the terms of ratio is 19, and the total weight of the ornament is 190 grams. Now we can find out easily the weights separately of bronze, zinc and silver. How? Look at the right side of the board. We can find out the three things weight separately. So first of all, bronze ratio part is 3. So we can find out the weight of the bronze. Write down the weight of bronze is equal to what? Is equal to the ratios part of the bronze here is 3 over 19, because 19 is the sum of the terms of the ratio, multiply with the total weight of the ornament. The total weight of the ornament is 190 grams, equal to 190 grams. This is the weight of the bronze. Okay. So we can cut the denominator and numerator by 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 tens are 190. Now 10 threes are 30. 30 over 1, so 1 no need to write down as a denominator. Okay. 30 grams will be the weight of bronze. Similarly, we can find out the weight of zinc and silver. Likely that the weight of zinc. The weight of zinc is 6 over 19, because 6 is the ratio part of zinc. Okay, that's why we write down 6 over 19 multiply with 190, because 190 is the total weight of the ornament. Okay, this grams. That's equal to, again we can cut the denominator and numerator by 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 tens are 190. So 10 6 are 60 gram is the weight of zinc. Okay. So the last one is the weight of silver, and to calculate the weight of silver. The weight of silver is equal to 10 over 19, because 10 is the part of the ratio of silver. Okay, so 10 over 19 multiply with 190 grams. Now 19 and 190 can be cut down by 19. 19 was 19, 19 tens are 190. Now my students, 10 tens are 100. 100 gram is the weight of silver. Okay, so you can write down the answer. The answer you can write down again. Silver, bronze is 30 gram, zinc is 60 gram, and silver is 100 gram. Okay, please write down yourself. I am not going to write down the answer. The last solution of C here, I am going to solve it. Look at the question now. The activity C is, what weight of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be 1:3. 1:3 will be the ratio of what? Of bronze and zinc. To be the ratio of zinc, bronze and zinc is 1:3, we need to mix some zinc here. Okay, and how much zinc need to be added, we will calculate. To calculate this one, my dear students, I am erasing activity A and B. Now look, it is activity C. Okay, suppose x grams of zinc can be mixed in the ornament so that the ratio of bronze and zinc will be what? Will be 1:3. Now our task is to find out the value of x. Okay, what is the value of x? We need to find out here. Now my dear students, already the zinc here, already from activity V, we can write down the weight of zinc is what? The weight of zinc is 60 gram. Okay, now the new weight of zinc is what? The new weight will be, the zinc is x plus that 60 gram, because we are going to mix this x gram with that 60 gram zinc. So our new weight of zinc will be, so the new weight of zinc, zinc will be 60 plus x grams. Okay, this will be our new weights. Why this is our new weight, my dear students? Already 60 gram zinc is in the ornament and we are going to mix x gram. So this will be our new weight of zinc. Okay. Now my dear students, what is the weight of bronze here? Already we know that from activity B we can know that its bronze weight is 30 gram, right? The weight of bronze is also from B. Also from B, the weight of bronze is 30 grams. Okay, now according to the question we can write down an equation. Now we can write down what? We can write down the ratio of bronze and zinc. The weight of bronze and zinc will be 1:3. So we can write down 30. Now 30 is to 60 plus x. That's equal to 1:3. 1:3. You can write down now according to the question, no problem. You can write down directly now this one equal to this one, because this is the weight of bronze and 60 plus x is the weight of zinc, and this ratio must be 1:3 because we have mixed already x gram of zinc to find out that ratio. Now our task is to find out the value of x, my dear students. Okay, it's so easy because each and every ratio can be written down as a fraction. So this antecedent will be our numerator and this subsequent will be our denominator, 60 plus x. That's equal to, again, this one antecedent will be our numerator and the subsequent 3 will be our denominator. From this equation you can solve easily and you can find out the value of x. I am going to solve this one in the right side because I have no space in the bottom. Now my dear students, by the cross multiplication we can write down 60 plus x multiply 1. So implies that it's 60 plus x multiplied with 1, that's equal to 30 multiply 3. Okay, that's equal to 30 multiply 3. It is by cross multiplication we can write down. So 60 plus x will be distributed with 1. 1 will be distributed with 60 and this x. 1 60s are 60 and 1 x are x. Plus sign will be in the middle. That's equal to 30 multiplication with 3. It will be 90. Now we need to find the value of x. That's why we will transfer this 60 into the right side. X will be in the left side. That's equal to 90. This 60 is transferred into the right side. So 60 will take as a minus sign because 60 had plus sign in before. That's why 60 will take a minus sign. Therefore, the value of x equal to what? X equal to 30. So 30 grams of zinc. 30 grams of zinc. 30 grams of zinc need to be added. In the ornament. 30 grams of zinc need to be added in the ornament to find the ratio of bronze and zinc. Bronze and zinc is 1:3. So 30 gram will be our answer. Okay, 30 grams. My dear students, I hope you have understood the solution. You can write down the languages, this languages or these languages by arranging yourself. Okay, no problem. If the language is correct, you will get the full marks. But the solution is very important to do, okay, by correctly. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. My dear students, look at the homework. Your homework number is 7. Please mention your HW number in the left top corner of your HW copy. And your HW is 2.6 exercise, the question number 26 you need to solve in your HW copy. You can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.